Hi friends, welcome to math. We are recording the video for Wednesday, May 20th, and what we're going to be doing today is vertical addition, both with vertical and using the numbers, and drawing. So these are the two ways we're going to show. So we're going to do a total of 4 examples. And we are going to show how we bundle when we use addition, because for subtraction we use when we unbundle we use subtraction, when we bundle we use addition. So let's go ahead and show us why that is. So I'm going to first show you with my drawing. I am going to start, since we are adding both numbers, I am going to start and showing you how to represent 303. And without using the word and, 303. So watch what I do. Here's 300s. There are 0 10s, and there are 3 1s. So I'm going to do and draw the 3 1s. So that's how I represent 303. How do we represent adding 37? I know that 37 is 3 10s, 7 1s. There are not any hundreds. There's no hundreds. So I'm going to skip this and go to 3 10s, and I'm going to do it a little bit underneath so that it doesn't all look like one number. It's the first number plus the second number. And 7 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, what do we do now? You always start with the ones. Always start with the ones, whether you are adding with the drawing or with vertical addition and the numbers. Always start with the ones, okay? So, let's start by counting. If we added 303 plus 37, how many do we have in each column? Let's start with the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow. So I have 10 ones, which is actually also equal to 110. We can't have 10 ones because that's the next biggest unit. So I'm going to circle my 10 ones, draw my arrow like we used to do at school, and create my new 10. Now I don't have any ones left, so I'm going to put a 0. Now let's see how many 10s we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 left here. And we have 1, 2, 300s here. So our answer is 340 using the drawing. Now, let's see if it's 340 using this way. Ready? So, if we draw our lines like we used to do at school, we always start with the ones. What is 3 plus 7? I know 3 plus 7 is 10 because 3 and 7 are partners to 10. I am going to, if you had the number 10 here, you have to bundle just like we did here and add the 110. Because the number, if it is over the number 9, 9 ones is less than 110, but if it's 110, it's the next biggest unit. So if we have 10, I'm actually going to leave the 0 and put our 110 right on that line to remember to add it. Good. So let's go to the 10s. 0 plus 3 is 3, plus 1 more, can't forget about this guy, is 4. And 3 plus nothing is 3. Do you see that? Awesome. So is our answer the same from here to here, 340 and 340? Yes. Good. Let me go ahead and erase this. Hold on 1 second. Hold on, friends. All right, so I'm going to write our next one. Our next one is, hold on, give me 1 second. Here's our next one. 211 plus 95. Let's go ahead and add 211 plus 95, but let's start with drawing, okay? Sorry, friends, hold on one second. Okay. Let's start by drawing the top number. Always start with drawing the top number, especially the big number. 211, which is 110, 1, 1. 110 and 1, 1. Do you see that? Great, so we're all done with 211. How about 95? Let's go ahead and draw 95. 9 tenths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are all tens. And 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does everyone see how this is 211 and I'm adding 95? Okay, what do we start with first? We always start with the ones. Let's add the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's add the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow, I have 10 tens, just like I had 10 ones. What do? Bundle. Friends, I feel like we should write a little note down here. Bundle when we have 10 ones, because that equals 110, or if we have 10 tens, because 10 tens equals 100. I hope you can see it. Sorry, I wrote it a little quick and messy. Okay, let's count these again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tens. Wow, I'm going to bundle them, draw my arrow, and create my new 100. 10 tens is equal to 100. So there are 0 tens left here. And how many hundreds are there here? 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 306. Let's do it over here. What is 1 plus 5? 6. What's 1 plus 9? That 10 again, but we need to bundle the 10, put in the hundreds, and 2 plus 1 is 3. 306, just like we got there, right? Awesome. Let's try another one. So I want you to remember, whether it's 10 ones, you have to bundle to 110, or if it's if it's 10 or over. If there is 11 ones, you would only circle 10. If there was 11 tens, you would only circle 10. Okay? Let's try another one. Let me erase. Hold on. Let's try the next one. Okay, my friends. Here we go. Now, more of a tricky one. We have 324 plus 156. What are we going to start by drawing first? Well, we start drawing the top number, the big number, 324. 324. Does everyone see why I put 300s, 2 tens, 4 ones? Right here, 300, 2 tens, 4 ones, right? Because in order it goes hundreds, tens, ones. Same thing here, always matches up. What are we going to add now? We're going to add 100, 5 tens, 6 ones. 100, 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's add all together. How many ones do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. When we bundle 10 ones, we create our new 10. I'm going to circle it. Here is my 10 ones. I'm going to create our new 10. So there's 0 left. How many 10s do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How about here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 480. Okay, let's try here. 4 plus 6 is 10, but remember we bundle the 10, put it on the line, put it in the 10 column. 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 1 more is 8, and 3 plus 1 is 4. Does this match up with this? Yes, it does. Let's do one more. Friends, I hope you're remembering this from the school year because we definitely did do some work with this. This one might be a little more tricky, okay? This one might have you bundle 2 times. Okay, last one. Stay with it because this one might be tricky. Okay, so what do we do first? You start by drawing the big number, 546. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I'm going to label my discs. These are hundreds. These are tens. And those are ones. Good. What am I adding? 275. 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's add it all together. What's 6 plus 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We haven't done this yet. If we have 11, we only circle 10 because that's all I can bundle to put into the 10, so you leave one out. Watch. So, do you see this guy left over here? We have one left here. How about the 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What should we do? Only circle 10. Only bundle 10, because that equals 100. So I'm going to leave my 2 out. And here's my new 100. So how many are left? 2. How many hundreds do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer right now is 821. Let's try over here. 6 plus 5 is 11, but I'm going to carry the 10 and bundle it in our tens column. 4 plus 7 is 11, plus 1 more is 12. I'm going to put the 100 here and the 2 here for 12, and 5 plus 2 is 7, plus 1 more is 8. 821. So I hope you remember a couple things when you're adding. Number 1, draw it, show it vertical and drawing. Number 2, if you have 10 ones, over 10 ones, over 10 tens, that means you either have a new 10 or a new 100. So bundle it, show us with an arrow, and make sure you add it. Okay, friends, remember to bundle.